Everybody. Today we're just going to do a real quick video on setting up FTP with Adobe Dreamweaver. This is a pretty common thing you're going to do in web development. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is go up to your main menu navigation in Adobe Dreamweaver, go over Site and click New Site. You can actually get in here to manage sites as well and add it, but New Site. From here, obviously provide the website name that you're going to be using. In this case, I already have the information saved. It's going to be Shop Online Jewelry. We're going to create a new folder within our sites directory, and then we will go over to the server and add the actual server to the site. Here again, you can copy your website name, FTP address. This is typically the best way to set this up is to just use the site's IP, which can be found in the cPanel. And then also you're going to use your cPanel username and your cPanel password, which you should have all this information saved. If not, you can get it on your hosting account, whether you host with GoDaddy or HostGator. Here it's actually setting up. You can see it's actually Dreamweaver connected to your web server successfully. You're going to click OK. You can save this, and you see now it's all set up. Go to Save, and we'll go over here, and it's going to automatically pull that. So just taking a quick look, here's our local site, which we have nothing in this folder. We just created it. Here's our remote. Let it connect with the Dreamweaver again, and you can see here's all the remote files. And here's a public HTML folder where you'll be able to upload all of your website, whether it's your WordPress or your just HTML files, PHP files. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be having another one soon. Stick around. Thank you.